Deep breath again. All the way out. Good. All right, this side up for me, actually. All right. Give yourself a big hug. Good. Deep breath. All the way out and relax. Perfect. Relax, relax. Good. One more. Oh my goodness, you're so tight. Face the other side for me. All the way out. Yeah. Relax, relax. There it goes. Now you relax.
Nah.
Perfect. Let's go face up for me. Relax as much as you can. Good. Hello. Good job. One more. Whew.
Oh.
Nice. Remember what I said about your ears?
Yeah.
We got mine. Okay, nice deep breath through your nose. Oh yeah, good job. Now see, she just handles that like a trooper. Because once you've had it done, and the scar tissue's out of there, there we go, perfect. Your back problems. There we go. That's perfect. Crack addicts are gonna love you. There it is, perfect, good job.
Restricted, so we're going to adjust C3. Let that right shoulder drop. There you go. And we're going to come over here and check the other side of the neck. A little lower down there, C6 on that right side. So bring in a little bit more lateral flexion, a little rotation. Let that left shoulder drop for me. There you go, perfect. So, good. Wow. Wow. Yeah, he's not letting me have this side as much. Oh, good. Wow. Dude. Fine. Good. Good. She is, her hands are frozen, but her face is like, look at a volcano. Good. Okay. Just relax. Let your head be heavy on the table. Good.
Wow, that felt good.
It felt good?
Yeah.
Good. Let's let this go here. Good. How was that?
Okay.
Not so bad too? Good. Okay. Take a nice little adjustment right here. Oh, good. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. Good. Wow.
Oh yeah. Good. Beautiful. One more. Man, there we go. One more. There it is. You okay?
Yep.
I'm gonna get a different way in this one. This side up for me. Nice. Ooh. You alright? Yeah. Oh, yeah. There it is. Nice. You okay? Let's go face up for me. One more. You okay? Alright, good. Nice. Deep breath again. All the way out. Nice. So that's going to help with the lungs as well. So that's going to be huge for you as an athlete. This side up for me. All the way out. And there goes our. Nice. I love athletes. Face that way for me.
Better on it?
So yes, that side we brought up. This side we got to bring down.
Oh, okay.
So here we go. This. Deep breath for me. All the way out. Ooh. Hello. Go face up. Nice. Alex.
Oh my
Nice.
God.
That was good, bro. Beautiful. As the blood rushes up there. Deep breath for me and relax. Good. Here we go. Yeah. See, you get headaches. That's why your upper back is tight.
Am I alive?
Yes, you're alive. One more. You're smiling. That's a good sign.
Chiropractic relief. There we go. That's perfect. See, now this too, I'm not just jumping on him. I'm bringing the joints to tension and then using a high velocity low amplitude thrust into the, well, you can really feel that tightness right here. So I'm going to get that right now. Yes, ma'am. Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
Crack addicts are going to love you. There we go. I got you. That's it. I still got one more right here. There it is. Okay. In your neck. Just breathe through your nose. Just like that. That wasn't so bad, was it?
No.
You felt that all the way down, though, didn't you?
All the way down my spine.
That's why we call it the ring dinger. And see, she's still kicking. Now I'm going to get your neck while you're here.